Alright guys, so to complete this cube, and I haven't completed it yet, I'm still learning, it's going to be a little bit different, but also in some ways similar. And the reason I say that is because what I've done is I started off, as I like to do on this, with completing, let's say like this, completing the first 4, 4, and 4, which is what I was trying to do there. And I used Minnie Mouse, Goofy, and Donald Duck. So that's what I did there. And then from there I continue on and finished off this and did what I usually do, which is complete the 6, 6, 4, 4. And now I'm going to continue on trying to finish off the next bit and complete the bottom 2/3 of the cube and then move on.
Likey